Yeah, we are welcome back to section 1.3, and we are looking at partial fractions, still on partial fractions. We're looking at the cases whereby the denominator has more than two linear factors. And you can see this question now. Express the forming as a partial fraction. You can see there's a first linear factor, the second one, the third one. So what do you do in this case? It's very simple. So what we do is just to this will be equal to a over the first linear factor, then plus b over the second linear factor, and then plus c over the third linear factor. Okay, and don't forget our section with 1.2 and 1.3, the denominator, the power of the denominator is higher than the numerator. So this is what we have now. So what do we do? It's very simple. So what we do is to make this right hand side as a single fraction. So how do you do that? Very simple. So the left hand side equal to, here we solve this. We're going to have x plus 1 as a common, the LCM, x plus 5. So x plus 1 is there, x plus 1 is there, so it cancels. So we have what? We have a, the numerator times the remaining LCM, x minus 2, and then x plus 5. Then plus this one also, this fraction here, the denominator, x minus 2 is there, x minus 2 is there. So it's cancelled. So we have b times x plus 1, and then x plus 5. Then plus the last one, c times what? X plus 5 is there, x plus 5 is here, so it cancels. So we have x plus 1 times what? X minus what? X minus 2. Okay? And we check the denominator on the left and on the right, they are the same thing. So that cancels out. So we now have 2x squared minus 12x 26 equal to a equal to all these expressions. So let's x be equal to, we can start with 2, so that this expression will cancel. 2 minus 2, so that part will cancel. So we now have now 2 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2. So that will be b times, if you substitute here, 2 here, so the expression will cancel and the expression will cancel. So we have b times 2 plus 1, and then 2 plus 5. So this is 3 times 7, so that's 21 b. And this will give us what? This will give us minus 42. So b is what? B is minus 2. Let x be equal to minus 1. So we have 2 times minus 1 squared minus 12 times minus 1 minus 26 equal to, this part we cancel, become 0. This part also becomes 0. So we can get the a, which will be equal to what? This one is what? Minus 1 minus 2. So that's minus 1 minus 2. And then minus 1 plus 5. Okay? So we have minus 12 here equal to, this is minus 3 times 4. So that's minus 12 a. So a is what? A is 1. A is 1. Then we can also substitute, let x be equal to, we can use minus 5. We can use minus 5 so that this part will cancel. This part also will cancel. A and b will cancel. And then we can get the c parts. So we have 2 times minus 5 squared minus 12 times minus 5 minus 26 equal to. So then we have c into brackets minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 plus 1, then minus 5 minus 2, that's minus 7. Okay, so this one will give me what? Minus 4 times what? Times minus 7. Okay, so that will be 28 c for that side. So this will give me 84. So c is what? 84 over 28. So that's what we have gotten for this question. So what you just have to do is just come back here and begin to substitute. Come back here, substitute for your A and your B and your C. Your A is what? Your A is 1, B is minus 2, B is minus 2, your C is 3. Okay, so in this case now, we want to write this one now. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 1 over x plus 1, and then plus times minus, that's minus here, and that's 2 over what? X minus 2, and then plus 3 over x plus 5. So that's that on that question. So please, if you are yet to subscribe, you're new on the channel, smash the icon on the video and subscribe straight away. Okay, and also click on the notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Okay, and type your comments, and finally share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for that. So let's join the next question on this aspect.